Good morning student, welcome back. Today we will learn about our new chapter, that is death of a partner. Partnership come to an end on the death of partner, but the firm may continue its business with the remaining partner who takes shares of the deceased partner in their old profit sharing ratio or in the ratio as decided by them. On the death of the partner, the amount payable to him is to be paid to his legal representative. On the death of the partner, account in the book of the firm are maintained in the same way as on the retirement of partner. Thus, the legal representative of the deceased partner are entitled to claim the following amount standing to the credit of his capital account, his share of increase in the value of goodwill, interest on capital if provided, drawing, interest on drawing, and share of profit and loss. So calculation of profit, if the death of partner occurs on any day during the year, the executor of the deceased partner will also to be entitled to the share of profit earned by the firm from the beginning of the year till the date of his death. Such profit may ascertain from any of the following method. First one is time basis, second one is turnover or sales basis. First one method is on the basis of time. In this method, we have to take into consideration the profit of the last year and the time for which he remained a partner during the current year. On the basis of last year's profit, we shall calculate the proportionate profit up to the date of death and then calculate the deceased partner's share. Profit on the basis of time. If the time basis is used, the profit will assume to have uniformity over the year. The deceased partner's share will be calculated as deceased partner's share of profit is equal to profit into share of deceased partner into time till death upon 12 or 365. We will calculate the time in month, then write here 12, and if we calculate the time in days, then days upon 365. For example, A, B, C were partner, profit sharing ratio 1:1:1, C died on, and A and B decided to continue the business. Share of profit of or loss of deceased partner, that is C's, from the beginning of the year up to date of death was to determine on the basis of last year profit, which was 4,50,000. Calculate the amount of share of profit. For calculating the amount of share of profit, we use the formula, that one, deceased partner share of profit or C's share of profit is equal to profit is 4,50,000 into share of deceased partner. Share of deceased partner means C's share of profit is 1/3 into time till death. C died on 31st July and our accounting year is end up to 31st March. So he will continue our business, that is 4 months. 4/12. 4/12, that is profit of deceased partner means C share of profit will be 50,000. Second one is on the basis of sale. On the basis of sale or turnover, if profit till the date of death are to be calculated on the basis of turnover, in such a case, last year profit and sales are given together with the sale of the current year up to the date of death of partner. The profit is ascertained proportionality, and the share of profit of deceased partner is calculated as usual in the form of formula. Formula is share of deceased partner's profit is equal to last year profit upon last year sales into sales till death. Sales till death of partner, that is the time period, into deceased partner share. A, B and C were partner in a firm. Profit sharing ratio is 2:2:1. C died on 30th June 2020. Profit and sale for the year ended 31st March, that is last year profit and last year sales was given, were rupees 10 lakh and 1 crore respectively. Sales during April to June. April to June means sales till death was given rupees 1,50,000. Required to calculate share of C's profit, and share of deceased partner is 1/5. C's share will 1/5. So C's share of profit is rupees 3,000. That is the amount of C's share of profit. Accounting treatment of share of profit. In case of profit, profit and loss suspense account debit to deceased partner capital account, and in case of loss, deceased partner's capital account debit to profit and loss suspense account. Some important treatment related to deceased partner. First one treatment is interest on capital. Interest on capital also will calculate till the date of death of deceased partner, and treatment will be interest on capital account debit to deceased partner capital account. Second one, adjustment treatment is interest on drawing. In deceased partner capital account debit to interest on drawing account. Interest on drawing is a profit for a business, that's why it will comes on credit side. Next one, treatment for goodwill. Gaining partner's capital account debit to sacrificing partner's capital account. Here deceased partner will sacrifice their share and remaining partner gain their share. So it may be remaining partner capital account debit to deceased partner capital account. Next one, treatment for accumulated profit and loss. That is for accumulated profit. Accumulated profits account debit to old partner's capital account, that is transfer entry. That's why profit comes in debit side. And second one is for accumulated losses. Old partner's capital account debit to accumulated losses account.